Are you struggling to make real-time decisions based on lack of access to data from sensors placed at the edge of the factory or out at the extremes of a process plant? If so, then here's your guide to industrial connectivity solutions, specifically focused on IO-Link and 10BASE-T1L industrial Ethernet technology, making it possible to bring data at the edge to your fingertips seamlessly. The connected enterprise requires all devices deployed across the factory floor and beyond to be connected to a central control system and onto the enterprise cloud. This often entails hard-to-reach remote locations, which we associate with large process plants. My name is Mags Naughton, and this tech snack describes two solutions to solve the challenge of accessing data for increased intelligence at the edge. IO-Link in the case of smart factory sensors, and 10BASE-T1L technology for field instruments. We've all heard how Industry 4.0 is revolutionizing the way we create products, thanks to the digitization of our manufacturing and process facilities. Industry 4.0, or smart manufacturing, is really about providing factory and automation systems with more meaningful data, created with smarter sensors, and leveraging this data with techniques like machine learning and artificial intelligence. New insights enabled by this data allow for better decision-making and provides real-time flexibility. Let's consider the factory floor. Historically, data transfer from basic factory sensors to a controller was unidirectional, from the sensor to the master only, requiring a technician to physically intervene to make configuration changes. To make a real-time, reconfigurable factory floor a reality, a better solution was needed. Enter IO-Link. IO-Link is a short-distance, bidirectional, digital, point-to-point industrial communication networking standard, enabling remote configuration, communication, and diagnostics. An IO-Link system consists of an IO-Link gateway, or master, and one or more IO-Link devices, which can be made up of a mix of sensors and actuators. The challenges when designing an IO-Link sensor is the ever-shrinking size requirement, heat dissipation, along with the need to survive in harsh industrial environments. IO-Link solutions from ADI, such as the MAX 22513 family of device transceiver parts, are highly integrated, low-power, robust designs, making them ideally suited to meet the needs of these sensor design challenges. Switching focus now to remote field instruments, which tend to live in hard-to-reach locations within a process plant. Today's process plants, often an extension of the smart factory, are being modernized by adding high-speed Ethernet to field instruments, using the 10BASE-T1L technology and the Ethernet APL standard. 10BASE-T1L is the Ethernet physical layer that provides long-reach, robust Ethernet connectivity with power and data over 1 kilometer of single twisted pair cabling. In addition to measurement data, it gives direct access to configuration parameters and asset health information, enabling better decision-making and real-time asset management. For 10BASE-T1L, analog devices is enabling flexible system design at the intelligent edge with the ADI-in 1100 PHY and ADI-in 1110 MAC-PHY products. They have ultra-low power consumption, enable communication with a reach of up to 1.7 kilometers, and include enhanced diagnostic capabilities. In other words, the complete solution to your needs. So, if you're looking to digitize your factory floor, then IO-Link is the solution for you. If you're trying to unlock the power of the process plant's intelligent edge, then 10BASE-T1L has you covered. To learn more, why not tune into the Arrow webinar, Designing Industrial Connectivity Solutions for the Smart Factory. This gives a more detailed insight into how to deliver seamless edge-to-cloud connectivity, including, but not limited to, 10BASE-T1L and IO-Link technologies.